We discussed already postpartum depression, and now it's time for postpartum blues or baby blues, which is a light or mild version. The birth of a baby can trigger powerful emotions to mom, from excitement and joy to fear and anxiety. But it can also result in something that mom may not expect, like depression, which is a worse version. By definition, it represents mild, temporary, and short-term mental and emotional health condition. And you should be careful. Normal response to changing hormone levels and exhaustion, life-changing event which begins after birth and occur for a few hours each day and should disappear usually within 2 weeks. If it prolongs, it should be suspected as something abnormal and usually it passing in depression. So swings or ups and downs which are described, so feeling of well-being and after depressed and so ahead. So mood swings, irritability, bursting into tears. Okay, this is female and can make some tears, but it is corresponding to symptoms. Feeling of edge or overly sensitive, exhaustion, anxiety, feeling of empty, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, confused or confusion about emotions, and difficulty sleeping or trouble falling asleep. But do not forget that mom have less time for sleep as she is contributing for feeding the baby, especially every 2 to 3 hours during the day. It's a lot. So common factors that cause postpartum blues: sleep deprivation, which is necessary for feeding baby; fatigue, some pre-existing medical condition; marital problems, which contribute a lot; lack of social or family support, which is uh, therapeutical even; being a young or first-time parent, not familiar with process, and even never seen how to do this care of the child, of the baby; and low socioeconomic status. Low socioeconomical status, less chances of having some diploma or university. Intellectual work, of course. What is the treatment of the postpartum blues? So it usually is self-limited and not no necessary in treatment. It is important to discuss with partner about feelings, about these new emotions, to understand them and to make clear how to handle. Plenty of rest combined with regular exercise, which helping to release stress, and sleep even if you have only many hours for doing this. And of course, good meals and water. Water is components that helping in any of the process in the body, and meals, especially fruits and vegetables. Be careful with your health and stay tuned. Have a good time.